Hello everyone, welcome to STONKAM Make a Better Vision World broadcast. This is Alice and it's quite a pleasure to meet you guys. Hope you enjoy our showcase. Today I'm going to show you one of our most popular products, high definition Wi-Fi system. Before unveiling it, I would like to share a few words about STONKAM. Established in 2003, STONKAM is an innovative company which is dedicated to design and manufacturing all the vehicle products. We have grown into a competitive company with more than 500 employees at production line and many innovation certificates. We have over 200 products covering all the vehicle cameras, artificial intelligence cameras, MDVR monitor, and bird view systems. And today I'm going to show you our high-definition Wi-Fi system family. Also, let us welcome one of my colleagues, Rachel, to join us.
Hi, Alice.
Hi, Rachel.
Thank you so much for your invitation. Hi, everyone. Very nice to meet you. I have a questions.
Yeah.
Are those cameras the Wi-Fi camera that you just mentioned?
Yes. So this Wi-Fi camera in my hand is a Wi-Fi 897. And this one is a Wi-Fi camera 673.
Well, they look pretty strong. What are the pros of the cameras compared to the white cameras?
So first of all, they are Wi-Fi cameras. So you can connect these cameras with your phone or some other devices and see the image on your screen. And to some certain point, you can see that they are similar with a wireless camera, which means you don't have to arrange the cables. For some vehicles like cranes and forklifts and some other excavators, they're pretty difficult to arrange the cables. Let me show you how to install these cameras. So some of our clients, maybe they want to install these cameras on some pretty large agricultural vehicles. That is definitely okay because the transmission distance of this product is up to 60 meters, and it also supports the wide range of power around 12 voltage to 32 voltage input.
That's incredible. So what else features does it have, and what are the advantages compared to the Wi-Fi cameras on the market?
That is a pretty good question. So let's check out the advantages of this camera one by one. So first of all, you have to know our camera is high definition camera, which means it can provide much clearer image compared to other products in this market. And also, we have the night vision function, which means in the dark night or in some dark environment, you can see the clearly image on your screen. In terms of the advantages, our product supports working in the raining days, and also with the anti-vibration certificate, it can also withstand the strong shocks. Let me show you how to connect this Wi-Fi camera with your mobile devices. Firstly, you have to download the StreamWiz application on your phone. This is an application specially designed by our R&D center for this camera. Find it and download it and open it on the smartphone. Secondly, the application will scan the surrounding Wi-Fi devices, which will be displayed in the form of thumbnails. Select the corresponding device for quick connection, and the password will be displayed in our user menu. After connecting successfully, you can enter into the main interface. Gently tap the screen, and the main configuration will be displayed. There are a lot of functions. On the main configuration interface, you can see you can set in the reversing cursor. Also, you can set up the mirror and the flip configuration. Also the volume. and also there are recording functions for you.
Wow, that's very detailed explanation. So, as you mentioned, there are two different Wi-Fi cameras. So, what are the differences between them?
Okay, let me explain that. So, this Wi-Fi model, Wi-Fi 897, it has a lot of advantages. So, first of all, it has magnetic base, which is more easier to be installed on various vehicles. And secondly, it has built-in battery, which means you don't have to power supply this camera with cables. And the last one is it only costs 0.3 milliampere in lower power consumption mode.
So now after the demonstration and explanation, I hope you will have a clear understanding of our cameras. So friends from vehicle areas, please welcome to have a look of our Wi-Fi cameras, which can help you to improve driving efficiency and security.
And also, if you're interested in our Wi-Fi cameras, please contact us via this email. And for some other clients, if you're interested in other products, please follow us on the Facebook, on the LinkedIn, and also our Instagram. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.
See ya.